Welcome back to Mopar Hot Rod Shop, and today guys I'm gonna go over what we did to make these door panels awesome and how we restored them. I'm gonna clip in right here the before and after so you can see what the old panels looked like. They were dry, they were scratched, dirty, and lost a lot of their color. The luster was gone and they really needed to be redone. So how did we go from that to this beautiful door panel where it has all the luster back? So the first thing we did was have to find the color. So what we did is we went to our local Menards and we got several paint swatches. We matched it with this color to the door panel because this has not been damaged by the sun. It's going to be close in proximity. We wanted it to be as close to this color as possible. So once we decided on that, we just got several swatches, which this one is not the right color. We put it right up next to it. A lot of people don't realize it, but at Napa you can get a color matched aerosol spray can. Took that paint swatch into Napa. They match it within a 99% ratio. Heck yeah. Once you're done with selecting the color, you're going to completely remove the door panel and all of the bezels and the little doodads that go on with it. And once that is removed, then you're going to clean it. You don't want any kind of residue, oil, dirt, anything like that on this. We just used Dawn dish soap. It's a great cleanser. It's pretty safe. It's not very harsh, but it will clean it very well. And then once you have it clean, then you're gonna let it dry fully, and then you're gonna spray paint it. Let it cure for about 24 hours before you put it back on. That way it's hardened really good and cured. And once that's done, then go ahead and install everything back just like we did. So hopefully you don't have to replace all of the door mechanisms like we ended up having to. If you want to reference that video, feel free to watch it. Click this link right up here. But otherwise, guys, that's all I've got. I'm going to put all of the links for what we use down here in the description. So be sure to let me know if I've missed anything or if you have more questions. I'll try and address them. And be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And thanks for watching Mopar Hot Rod Shop. Bye, guys.